Welcome to our channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you. Top 5 harmful effects of using broiler chicken regularly. While broiler chicken is a popular and widely consumed meat, consuming it regularly may have some potential harmful effects. It's important to note that these effects can vary depending on the preparation and cooking methods. MediCare. Now we will discuss top 5 harmful effects of using broiler chicken regularly in this video. Number 1 is antibiotic resistance. The poultry industry often uses antibiotics to promote growth and prevent diseases in broiler chickens. Regular consumption of broiler chicken treated with antibiotics may lead to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria in humans. This can make it more challenging to treat bacterial infections effectively. Number 2 is foodborne illness. Improper handling, storage, or undercooking of broiler chicken can lead to foodborne illnesses caused by bacteria such as Salmonella and Campylobacter. These infections can cause symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and, in severe cases, can even be life-threatening. Number 3 is high cholesterol and saturated fat. Broiler chicken, especially its skin, contains saturated fats, which can contribute to elevated cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of broiler chicken, especially fried or processed chicken products, can lead to an increased risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Number 4 is environmental impact. The intensive production of broiler chicken requires significant resources, such as water and feed, and contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Large-scale broiler chicken farming can also lead to environmental issues such as water pollution and deforestation due to increased demand for animal feed production. Number 5 is arsenic exposure. Some commercial broiler chicken farms use arsenic-based compounds in chicken feed to promote growth and control parasites. Consuming broiler chicken treated with arsenic can lead to long-term health risks, as arsenic is a known carcinogen and can also cause other health problems. Conclusion. It's essential to maintain a balanced diet and consume broiler chicken in moderation, while also ensuring proper cooking and food safety practices to minimize potential risks. Additionally, choosing organic or free-range broiler chicken may reduce exposure to some of the harmful effects associated with conventionally raised broiler chicken. As with any dietary choices, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist to tailor your diet to your individual needs and health concerns. Thanks for watching our channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you.